Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the Praetor version 0.2. So to become a Akash provider, we have created a tool that you can use to become a Akash provider and give your complete power. So I'm just gonna give you a demo for that. To connect, gonna approve, gonna approve. Then it's asking me how many servers I'm providing right now. So I'm providing right now one server. So I'm gonna select one. Gonna add my host credentials, and then I'm going to start creating the K3s. So this process takes around 2 minutes to finish, and it depends on the server as well. So if you have a higher CPU, higher memory, then this will finish in certain minutes, and if you have a slower server, then it takes around 5 minutes of this time. But we'll see like how easy is to become a provider on Akash, and you don't need any CLI knowledge to do that. As you can see, the process is done, and now we're on the next page where I have to give the seed phrase. So I'm just gonna copy my seed phrase. Gonna put some password, verified, say provider v33, praetorapp.com, praetorapp.com, Praetor test version 33. Gonna click next. Now the process has started for becoming a provider. Now it's gonna check the system for Akash provider, creating on-chain provider. Basically, this is gonna um, do a transaction on blockchain, and then we will wait for the transaction to finish, creating on-chain TLS certificate. Right, everything is done through the system. You don't have to worry about any of these things. If something happens, if something fails, right, it'll just give you the error, right, and you can retry the whole process again, right, creating a script file, service file, and then it's just gonna start Akash service. Awesome. So that's it, right? That's how easy to become a provider on Akash, right? As you can see, um, we have to do some DNS changes and port changes. DNS changes, you need to point this our Akash domain uh, to uh, the server you just connected, and ingress to it the same thing because it's a K3s, and you need to open certain ports. I already done that ports open, right? So I'm just gonna click next. For Akash audit, you can apply for Akash audit right from here. Right, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna skip for it, and then we will. As you can see, we just got the dashboard. Now let's try and deploy one game on this machine. So I'm just gonna go, and so I just opened the Akash deploy tool. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to games, trace, deploy. So checking if I have a certificate right or not. Gonna remove attributes and sign off. We don't need that. Gonna say 0.2, create deployment, approve. So you can see we're checking. You have to wait. So boom, we have our Praetor test v33. I'm gonna select that. I'm gonna deploy, approve that. Perfect. Our transaction is completed, and let's wait to get our uh, group is available, so you'll see right away in few seconds that this will be available. Basically it's deploying everything and it's available. Let me click that and our game is running, so I can run that game. Awesome. So that's it for the demo, guys.